Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, let us journey together on how to create animated logos with OpenArt. So, let's get started. To begin, open your web browser and visit openart.ai. If you already have an account, simply log in to access your personalized dashboard. Now, click on Create from Scratch. On the left side of the screen, you'll find a prompt field where your animated logo ideas come to life. For instance, imagine design an animated logo for a travel agency that showcases various iconic travel destinations, with the agency's logo subtly integrated into each scene. You can even add a unique twist using a negative prompt. Once your prompt is set, just click Create. Now, behold the magic of OpenArt in action. And lo and behold, your animated logo is complete. Click on the image to explore its intricate details. It's as simple as that. Your imagination comes to life with just a prompt. Dive into a world of limitless creativity and craft captivating animated logos with OpenArt. I hope this video helps you out. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.